SnatchIt review demo and $3,897 bonus. Hey, what's up guys, this is Art from artofmarketingblog.com and this is my SnatchIt review and demo. So what it is a new piece of software released by McKay and Radu Hahaianu. You probably know these guys, and it allows you to snatch any website of the internet and put your affiliate link on top of it, okay? It can be an affiliate link, it can be any other link you want. So the cool thing is that you get the authority of big websites, whatever website you choose. You can use CNN, Fox News, even Wikipedia or any other website, any other blog, and you get to use their content and just put your link to promote whatever you want. So a super simple concept, but it saves you hours of work and it gives you instant authority, okay? So let me share my screen, let's jump into this SnatchIt review. But before I do, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe to this channel. And even before, again, let me just show you an example of a website. So we can go to CNN and snatch any article, okay? So you can snatch the main website, or you can snatch any article from CNN, put your link on top of it and make money this way, generate traffic this way, whatever you want to do. And again, this will work with any website of the internet, Fox News, even Wikipedia. So essentially with Wikipedia, you can promote anything because Wikipedia has information on every single subject in the world. And again, you can even go to my blog, snatch my own blog post and promote something else if you want to. So again, this will work for any website in the world. Now this is how the sales page looks like, and as you can see, it says still missing easy sales and affiliate commissions. This original underground system is printing us money like never before. Finally cracked, new done-for-you cloud software enables you to legally hijack any website to sell anything with no work involved. Have your product or affiliate offer on CNN, BBC, even Wikipedia. You don't need your own website, okay? So guys, you can check all of this out in your own time. Obviously they have, you know, all the proof, they have testimonials, including my testimonial right here. So you know, they explain what you can use it for. They will be adding some bonuses. You have a little demo right here. Now I'm going to have the same demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel, so you can check it out in its entirety. More proof, and obviously you can do anything you want with this traffic. So you can build a list, you can send it directly to an affiliate offer, CPE marketing, e-com, you know the drill. SnatchIt, that's the name of this new software. And again, this is my SnatchIt review, some more proof. That's essentially it. Again, you can go through all of this in your own time. You have a 30 days money back guarantee, so absolutely no risk on your part. Let's check out the inside of the members area, okay? So this is how it looks like. Essentially, all you have to do is just grab a URL of the website or a page that you want to hijack. You add your own affiliate link on top of it, and that's how you get sales, okay? So as you can see, we have the overview right here. We have total seats, total clicks, created forms, created elements. You can do a bunch of different stuff. Now, I'm not going to be doing a full demo right here, but again, I'm going to have a full demo both on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So if you're watching on YouTube, the video I will upload right after this one is the demo, and if you are on my blog right now, just scroll down and the demo is right below this video, okay? So as you can see, we have the created call to actions right here, so we can control all of this from within. We have the new project, we have the new element, we have created seeds as well. So let me just show you an example, okay? So as you can see, this is the website that we hijacked, and right here in the bottom left corner we have a pop-up, so you can add anything you want to this pop-up. And again, this can be an affiliate link, you can add some images, it can be an opt-in box, whatever you want to do, okay? So this is how it looks like, and again, you can use this for any website, even for Google, even for any social media site, whatever you want to do, okay? So let's check out generated forms. So in these forms, you're going to be creating this little pop-up. So again, you can create anything and you can make it look like anything you want. Training videos, obviously we have all the training included, so you're gonna get training on both how to use the software and also how to make money with it. So some affiliate marketing training. That's essentially it, okay? Let me go back to new project. Let me just show you the options. As you can see, all we have to do is just put in the URL and then add your element that you created. So the element is the pop-up that you're going to be creating, and that's where your link is, okay? So guys, that's it. Now guys, there's not much more to it than what I just showed you. Essentially, all the work is already done for you because you are using ready websites that already exist. So again, all you do is grab a URL, add your link to it, and you make money this way. Okay, so guys, that's what you're gonna find inside the members area. Let's check out the pricing and all of the upsells. Okay, so guys, SnatchIt will be only $17. Okay, so this is the early bird price, and keep in mind the price will be going up after the initial launch period, but if you want to get in early, you can snatch it for just $17. Okay, SnatchIt Pro, that's the OTO number one, we have 36.93 cents. SnatchIt done for you, 36.93 as well. SnatchIt reseller's license, $46.93, and SnatchIt IMX, $29.93. Now guys, right here on my blog I have a full funnel and explanation of what each OTO contains. So as you can see, the Pro version essentially removes all the limitations. Okay, so you do have some limitations on the main version. You will be able to make money with it and obviously hijack websites, but you do have a certain number of websites that you can hijack per month. Okay, now all of these limitations are removed with the Pro version. Then with the done for you pack, what you're getting is a bunch of done for you campaigns, done for you websites, and much more. With the reseller's license, what you're getting is essentially the ability to sell SnatchIt as your own product and keep 100% of the profits on the whole funnel to yourself. And the IMX is essentially all products released by Mike and Radu plus all future releases, and you can sell them as your own products. Okay, so guys, that's the funnel. As you can see, the OTOs are pretty cheap, so you can definitely think about picking one of these up. And right now let me show you all of the bonuses I got in store for you. And as always, I have a full written review right here that you can actually snatch if you will decide to. Okay, so guys, so let me just tell you that SnatchIt goes live on May 26th at 11 a.m. Eastern. If you want to get all of these bonuses that I'm about to mention, all you have to do is just click on one of these blue links right here from my blog. So if you're watching on YouTube, the first link in the description will take you to my blog, and the second link in the description will take you directly to the sales page. Now again, let me show you these bonuses I got in store for you. So first of all, I'm going to give you 2 custom-made bonuses. These are 2 different ways of generating traffic, so a perfect complement to SnatchIt. 2 custom-made bonuses especially for this promotion. I'm also going to give you secret SEO hacks, a perfect bonus as well for SnatchIt because you're dealing with websites and SEO. I'm also going to give you a bunch of additional software, and these will include a reseller's license. So these are worth hundreds of dollars on their own. Okay, first of all, you're going to get Control Press, that's software number 1 plus resellers. VidPix Pro software number 2 plus resellers. Logo Studio software number 3 plus resellers. VidConnect software number 4 plus resellers. Software number 5 is VidPromo Pages, and you get a reseller's license to it as well. And Facebook Vidmatic, that's software number 6 plus a reseller's license. Now on top of this, you're going to get a bunch of W's of the day and product of the day worded courses, rapid niche profits, targeted traffic, cache surge, newbie traffic formula, additional bonuses. So you're going to get local SEO leverage with resellers rights, new age SEO, black hat SEO, get Google traffic, backlink basics, traffic explosion, 10 steps auditing SEO, SEO skills mastery, traffic inclination, recurring income course, targeted Instagram video course, product creation formula, Udemy profits, video opt-in, WP blog book, buzz machine, flash pages, link tweet, scarcity log, squeeze question, client extractor, image grab, viral suite, action simulator, Facebook audience builder, instant publisher, pinbook, social tracker, traffic hoover, Facebook traffic engine, Facebook photo contest, responsive slider, YouTube video gallery, Pinterest portfolio, post grid, post widget, and WordPress courses plugin. Guys, that's a total of 48 bonuses, but I am not done, because on top of all this, you're getting my mega bonus. And my mega bonus is a total of 45 plus W's of the day and product of the day awarded courses. And this means that the total value of this package is $3,897. Now, this is an actual value that you would have to spend if you would get all of these bonuses separately. Obviously, some of these are still available for sale, some are not available, but this is what you would have to spend. These are not some PLR bonuses I found on some free website. These are actual products, softwares, plugins, my own custom-made bonuses, and my own W's of the day awarded products. Okay, so again, you're getting all of this for free. just as a thank you for picking up SnatchIt through my link. And just to sum up this SnatchIt review, so essentially what it does, you can put your affiliate links, products or ads on top of other people's sites. You can get unlimited free traffic in any niche, obviously, and you don't need a website. You can make $500 per day this way easily. It's all cloud-based, so nothing to install, and works on any device. Perfect for easy commissions. Again, you can have your affiliate links on sites like CNN, Fox News, Wikipedia, any other website in the world, even my website if you want to. Hosting included, no website needed again, and no monthly fees, and you can get in for just $17 one-time price if you will decide to pick it up with an early bird price. Now, what I don't like about SnatchIt, the only thing that I can think about is that you have to use other people's websites, okay? So in the long run, I would like you to actually own a website like I do, because this is where you will be controlling everything from, okay? So people will find you on your website, you're gonna have all your links to your own products, to your affiliate promotions, you have everything right there. So this is where people will find you. So again, in the long run, I would like you to have your own website. But with that being said, if you're only starting out, it's cool because you can hijack other people's websites, get the authority. You don't have to deal with any hosting or any of the complicated stuff. You get to the profits faster without any complicated and technical stuff. Okay, so again, guys, check out my full written review right here. Check out all of the bonuses I got in store for you. And before you go, let me just show you how to claim my bonus after you decide to pick up SnatchIt through my link. All you have to do is go to your purchase history on Warrior Plus. So click on your icon with your name right here in the top right corner, go to the purchase history, find SnatchIt, and below the button that says access SnatchIt, you should see another button saying bonuses from Art. That's how you get it. And you don't have to send me emails or receipts. So guys, I really like it because again, you can get straight to the profits and you're getting instant authority. You're saving hours of work on product creation. Every single promotion I do for you guys, it takes me 4 to 5 to 6 hours depending on the product. So you get to skip all of that. You get to use other people's websites and content, and you can put any link on top of it. So 2 thumbs up for me. Mike and Radu, great release, and I hope you're gonna pick it up through my link with the early bird discount, so it's just $17. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment under this YouTube video. Please like this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more review videos just like this one. This was Art, SnatchIt review, and I'm signing out. See you in the next video. Ciao.